I got bitches with me wild. I met a bitch in Bali. I met a bitch in Dallas. Now she work at Magic. Make a bitch move to the city, nigga. I got ball status. Da Vinci on my sweater, bitch. I'm way above average. Rolex on me on TikTok. Savage rock around with the big block. I'm a real gangster, I don't shit talk. Slaughter gang, nigga love to kill. All my pieces flooded. All my drinks come muddy.
They hatin', they really be leeches. Regular Glock, but it came with 2 pieces. Still I like the bullets, just pick up the pieces. Say you got motion, but they nigga greedy. Them young niggas get you and turn into heathens. Feel him over the shot before you feel he was wrong. First time in Vegas, this shit getting outrageous. So ice is the game, we rockin' that stage. Smoking this out of my body, feel lazy. If I'm on the beat, then you know I went crazy. Slime some sitting while I bought the Mercedes. Keep talking my shit, cause I know they can't take it. 300 racks off the dice on the table. Remember them days when a nigga want A. We was just tight on that haters. It's crazy how niggas be switching, but that shit a favor. Bagger smell on my clothes in the paper and recipe doctors, I'm smoking on flavor. Scrapers at me, cause we never had cable and mama could barely put food on the table. Now she want her house in the hill with the acres. Run through the game like I'm cheating. I bought every season. You niggas talk shit from the bleachers. My bitch, she bet she can see that I cut niggas off, cause they hatin', they really be leeches. Regular Glock, but it came with 2 pieces. Still I like the puzzle, just pick up the pieces. Say you got motion, but they nigga greedy. Them young niggas get you and turn into heathens.
Trigger happy, every Glock came with a stendo. Say when we spin this bitch, don't swing my door, hang out the window. This bitch gon' do whatever I fucking say, like bitch the friend. She know I'm tryna fuck her, I don't play no game, this ain't Nintendo. Nigga, I ain't GC on, but shit get cheated, that beat tomorrow. Got all hands in the club, had to tell the G, go get some hollow. Stop flexing with that fucking petty chain like you hit the lotto. Do what you want, but bitch, don't spill my drink, I feel like Rondo. Stuff dick all in her mouth, don't spit it out like baby swallow. If any bitch that foot up in my house, better be a model. I ain't gotta tell them nothing, nigga, soon as I run them down, them boys gon' follow. The nigga who won't smoke, I'm tryna split it weird like I'm with Nardo. Nigga, what you said, nigga, I'm stuck in my head, I beg your pardon. Nigga, I ain't wanna spin this bitch, cause if he did, we're gon' part. That blood be in that field, tryna run them down like he be jogging. The G just stupid fuck, running through the town with a big ass body. Nigga, this shit for show, you can put your bet on me like this a parlay. Lil' Bougie fiend tryna sniff all this Beijing before he buy. Nigga, I ain't need a trippin', this shit here pure like gonna try. Lil' hoe tryna find a way back to my heart, access denied. Lil' bro been smoking gas like bro, my chicken, that nigga fried. Wish Will would lace me up, taught me the game before you die. So I can tell you nothing, nigga, ain't no in between, nigga, pick a side. Then feel a careful watch that fucking damn bitch, that's mine. Won't stop until he dead, I'm seeing real, no other color. You ain't gotta tell me nothing, nigga, I'm all 10 about my brother. You just took a nigga stick, like what is that shit, I don't know. Like Lotto no bitch tryna put a nigga on that floor. Lil' brother say he ain't tryna hang out the window, let's swing the door. We were back there, we was serving that college dinner right by the stove. See my niggas dying and I ain't got no time to sit and coat. Chunked off the bitch and right back in that field, I ain't need a coat. The lil' bro quick to get missing in that wind like where's Terry. Quick to chase a nigga down and do it down like Tommy Jerry. I don't know why these niggas be putting on the act like Tyler Perry. Nigga, I been fucking it whole for years, but this whole bitch so we can share. Check gave a rain to the streets, by the end of May we getting married. Had to tell a bro he hop out, blow that bitch, don't need sparrow. Remember running in front of Jake, pocket full of weight, nigga right on tear. I ain't stunning the hoe, but I'm still gon' milk the hoe. I need my dare. Bro, no trigger happy, every Glock came with a stendo. Say when we spin this bitch, gon' swing my dough, hang out the window. This bitch gon' do whatever I fucking say, like bitch the friendo. She know I'm tryna fuck her, I don't play no games, this ain't Nintendo. Nigga, I ain't GC on, but shit get cheese, that be the model. Got ball heads in the club, had to tell the G, go get some hollow. Stop flexing with that fucking petty chain like you hit the lottery. You rich enough, but bitch gon' spill my drink, I feel like Rondo.
Diamonds on me fleeking, bad bitch with me freaking. Fuck that bitch this evening, fuck that bitch then leave her. 21 Savage don't need you, dog nigga hoe mistreat her. 2 cell phones, sell dope, no beeper. Keep my mouth closed, I don't